Hi children, this class is for Standard 5 and the subject is Mathematics. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, Multiplication and Division, exercise 3.1. Topics covered in this class are multiplication of a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number, by a 3-digit number, by 10, 100 and 1000 with zeros in the multiplier. Multiplication of 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Example number 1, page number 37. Multiply 75,367 into 45. First, we will write both the numbers in the proper place with the multiplication symbol. The first number in the multiplication is always called as the multiplicand. That is, the number to be multiplied is called as the multiplicand. The second number in the multiplication is called as the multiplier. That is, the number by which multiplicand is multiplied is called as the multiplier. Now, let us take the ones digit in the multiplier and multiply with each digit of the multiplicand. In our example, 5 into, we need to multiply with each digit of the multiplicand. That is 7 into 5, which is 35. So write 5 here and keep 3 in your mind. The next 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. So 30 plus 3 in our mind. So 30 plus 3, which is equal to 33. So write 3 here and keep 3 in your mind. The next 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So 15 plus 3, which is equal to 18. 8 in here and 1 in mind. 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So 25 plus 1 equal to 26. Write 6 here and keep 2 in your mind. So 5 into 7, which is equal to 35. 35 plus 2, which is equal to 37. So since this is the last number, we can write 37 as it is. So now we have multiplied the ones digit in the multiplier with all the digits in the multiplicand. The next, we need to take the next digit in the multiplier. In our example, we have 4. So we need to multiply 4 with all the digits in the multiplicand. Before multiplying, we need to add a 0 in the answer. The next step, we need to multiply 4 into 7, which is equal to 28. Write 8 here and keep 2 in your mind. The next, 4 into 6, which is equal to 24. So 24 plus 2, which is equal to 26. So write 6 here and keep 2 in your mind. 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Write 4 here and keep 1 in your mind. 4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 plus 1 equal to 21. Write 1 here and keep 2 in your mind. 4 into 7 equal to 28. 28 plus 2 equal to 30. So since this is the last digit, we can write 30 as it is. Now we have multiplied all the digits of the multiplier with the multiplicand. The next step is to add these two numbers and find the answer. So 5 plus 0, which is equal to 5, and 3 plus 8 equal to 11. So write 1 here and keep 1 in the hundredths digit. So 1 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 15. Write 5 here and keep 1s in the next position. So 1 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 11. Therefore, write 1 here and 1s in the next position. 1 plus 7 plus 1 equal to 9. So 3 plus 0, 3 and also 3. So the answer is 33,91,515. So the answer we get is called the product. That is the result of multiplying the multiplicand and the multiplier is called as the product. Multiplication of 5-digit number by 3-digit number. Exercise 3.1, page number 38. Second question, multiply. See problem, 98,037 into 817. The first step is to write both the numbers at the proper places and put the multiplication symbol. We know that the first number in multiplication is called as the multiplicand. That is, the number to be multiplied is called as the multiplicand. And the second number in the multiplication is called as the multiplier. That is, the number by which it is multiplied is called as the multiplier. Now, take the ones digit in multiplier and multiply with each digit in the multiplicand. That is, 7 into 7 equal to 49. So, write 9 here and keep 4 in your mind. So, 7 into 3 equal to 21. 21 plus 4 equal to 25. Write 5 here and keep 2 in your mind. 7 into 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 7 into 8 equal to 56. Write 6 here, 5 in your mind. 7 into 9 equal to 63. 63 plus 5 equal to 68. Since this is the last digit, we can write 68 as it is. The next step is to take the next digit in the multiplier. In our example, 1 is the next digit. Before multiplying, we need to write a 0 in the answer. Now, we multiply 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 9, 9. The next step, we need to take the next digit in the multiplier. Before multiplying, now we need to add 2 zeros in the answer. So 8 into 7, 56. So write 6 here and keep 5 in your finger. 8 into 3 equal to 24. So 24 plus 5 equal to 29. Write 9 here and keep 2 in your finger. 8 into 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 8 into 8 equal to 64. Write 4 here and keep 6 in your mind. 8 into 9 equal to 72. So 72 plus 6, which is equal to 78. So write 78 as it is. Now we have multiplied all the digits in the multiplier with the multiplicand. The next step is to add all these numbers. That is 9 plus 0 plus 0, we get 9. 5 plus 7 plus 0 equal to 12. So 2 here and 1's in the next position. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 12. So write 2 here and 1 in the next position. 1 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 16. Write 6 here and 1's in the next position. So 1 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 19. So 9 in the here and 1's in the next position. So 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4, which is equal to 20. So write 2 here, 0 here and 2 in the next position. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. So 0 here and 1 in the next position. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Therefore, the answer is 8 crore 96,229. The answer which we get is called as the product. That is the result of multiplying the multiplicand and the multiplier is called as the product. Multiplying by zeros in the multiplier. Exercise 3.1, page number 38. Third question, multiply A question 24,605 into 50. Instead of multiplying with 50, we can multiply the multiplicand with 5 and in the answer we can add 0. So we are going to multiply 24,605 with 5. So on multiplying we take the multiplicand and the multiplier. The digit in the multiplier is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So 5 here and 2 in your mind. 5 into 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 5 into 6 equal to 30. 0 here and 3 in your mind. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 20 plus 3 equal to 23. So 3 here and 2 in your mind. 5 into 2 equal to 10. So 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Therefore write 12. So we have multiplied the multiplicand and the multiplier is 5. The answer we get is 1,23,025. Now we need to multiply with 50. So add 0 in the product which we get. Therefore 24,605 into 50 equal to 12,30,250. Thank you children.